Welcome to my channel, NinaEjimof Unleashed. If you're watching my video for the first time, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe so that subsequent videos you'll be notified. If you have watched my videos before, you're welcome. Take a special seat. You can share our videos, please. Kindly share our videos. You can also leave a comment. I love to read your comments. On this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to turn your phone into a desktop pattern. There are so many things you cannot use. There are so many things you cannot use your phone to do, or you'll be limited when you are doing things like when it comes like customizing your YouTube channel or even uploading videos there. If you are using a phone, there are a lot of limitations, but you can actually turn your phone into a desktop site so that you can do whatever you want to do. You type whatever. Let's assume we type youtube.com. Type youtube.com, whatever it is that you want to work on. When you type it, you look at this three dotted lines here. I hope you are seeing it. These three dotted lines, whatever you want to work on, it could be YouTube, it could be any other thing, any other app, several apps. But when you are using your phone to work on them, there will be limitations that you can actually turn it to a desktop. Just click on that three dotted line. When you come down here, you will see desktop site. You come down here, you can see desktop site. This is for Android phone. It's for Android phones. For Apple phones, you also see something like this that will show that it is for desktop. When you click on this, you see it has taken us to a desktop. When you are working on YouTube, this is how the desktop looks like. I hope you are with me. So actually, you can actually use your phone to do anything, like Seller, Flutter, all those apps. When you're using phone, there will be limitations, but when you use desktop, you are good to go. So this is how you can actually turn your phone into a desktop site to do your work freely and very easy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified the next video. Thank you. The next video, I'll be teaching how to use your smartphone to customize your YouTube channel. Thank you.